Guys, this is me. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to make mango lassi. My way of making mango lassi. I usually, so people with vanilla in theirs, you don't have to add no fragrance, but I like nutmeg in mine. I always buy the fresh nutmeg. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how to grate this. Yeah, I'm going to grate. It's very tricky to do. I used to have a blender for this, but I don't, a small blender. I don't know what happened to it, to be honest. I think that's enough. Yeah, guys, this is your grated nutmeg. Yeah, so I will add that here. I had one mango. I'm gonna add that in my smoothie maker. Guys, this is just straightforward. And this is yogurt for your probiotics. This is great when you're constipated, if you want to come down and stuff. You don't have to put sugar in it. I like to have the same amount of yogurt to the same amount of to mango, in a way, if that makes sense. Yeah, honey, 2 tablespoons of honey, that's 1, and that's 2. And guys, a bit of water. Mango lassi done. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Yeah, look at it. That's the consistency you want. You don't want it too thick, and you don't want it too watery. So this is a perfect consistency. So guys, please subscribe to our channel and like as well. Thumbs up. Please like our videos. Let's grow this thing together, please. So like and subscribe. Thank you guys.